Hi guys! Lesson 2-10, 1-digit by 3-digit multiplication. So today we're going to look at 3 methods of multiplication and we're going to use it for the same problem. So the problem that I'm going to use is 237 times 4. You can use the place value sections method even when you have a 3-digit number. So I'm doing 4 times 237. So on one side I'm going to have my 4 and on the other side I'm going to break it apart by place value. So the 2 is 200 plus the 3 is 30 plus, of course, 7 ones. I'm going to draw my place value sections by making an area model using my rectangle, of course. Okay, now it's time to solve. First, I'm going to do 4 times 200. 4 times 2 is 8. And I have 2 zeros, so that's 800. Then I'm going to do 4 times 30. 4 times 3 is 12, and I have 1 0, so 120. Finally, I'm going to do 4 times 7, which gives me 28. I add my 3 numbers to get my final answer. 8, 4, 9. 948. Another way to multiply 4 times 237 would be expanded notation. So the way I do this is I write my problem vertically. Then I break it apart by place value. So this is 200 plus 30 plus 7. And this one is just 4. Then I take my 4, and since it's 3 digits, I'm going to have 3 multiplication problems. So 4 times 200, which is 800, 4 times 30, which is 120, and 4 times 7, which is 28. If I add those together, I get 948. So that was expanded notation. A third way to solve 4 times 237 would be using algebraic notation. So I rewrite my problem horizontally, and then I'm going to use my multiplication properties. So I'm going to pull out the 4. I'm going to say 4 times parentheses. I'm going to break it apart by place value. 200 plus 30 plus 7. I know that I can do 4 times 200, which I could put in parentheses, plus 4 times 30 plus 4 times 7. I solve for each set of parentheses, so 800 plus 120 plus 28, And when I add those three numbers together, I get 948. So those are the three methods we have learned so far. So what did you learn today? Well, today you have learned that you can use three methods to multiply a three-digit number by a one-digit number.